YouTube, it's your boy A-Money-J773, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, today we're going to be installing some LED logo lights that go on the side of my door panels on my 2010 Nissan Altima. And yeah, man, before I get it started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that way y'all can tell what content I'm uploading this summer. Yeah, man, here I'm going to show y'all what LED lights I actually bought. So yeah, came in this packet right here, shadow light. Go ahead and leave the link in the description. And yeah, supposedly these are supposed to be pretty decent. So this is how it packaged up. Yeah, man, I'm gonna set y'all up outside and we're gonna get this installation going. So right here, I got a little pick. You won't be able to see it right now, but at nighttime, I'm finna show y'all how it looks. It looks decent. Just trying to clamp it on. Alright, we're gonna go install the other side now. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect these first, take them out. Yeah, I just had some plain LED lights before, but I was trying to get the logo showing on the ground, so we're gonna see how these come out at night. Clip in, right? So. Yeah, man. As y'all can tell, I had some regular LED lights before, but switched it up. Go ahead and went with these logo LED lights. Pop that in. Yeah, man, this gonna look 10 times better for sure. These are the old ones. I just had regular LED lights on them. So yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know if y'all could tell. I don't know if y'all can see the outline, but I'm finna show y'all at night how it looks. All right, y'all, we just got done installing these LED lights. And yeah, man, I'm gonna continue this video later. I just wanted to show y'all. Y'all can see a little sneak peek right there, how it looks. But yeah, at nighttime, I'm gonna show y'all because it's gonna look way bigger than what it is right there. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this video later. Catch y'all in a bit. Peace. All right, y'all, we just got in some dark space right now. But yeah, this is the final product. Yeah, man, they're nice. I do not regret it one bit, as long as they last. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description so that way y'all can maybe purchase some yourself according to what kind of car you got. So say if you have a Dodge, or you can have Dodge on the bottom, whatever. It's all logos. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here, man. I appreciate everybody that tuned into this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be dropping bangers soon, man. This is just a little something slight, installation real quick. But yeah, man, Go ahead and like this video. Appreciate everybody that tuned in. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And your boy A Money J773 is out, man. Peace.